What's up, YouTube? I got a new product. In my description there will be a link of where to buy. It's it's for laundry. You know, my wife is having the problem of her bras going to the laundromat and it gets like stuck when you're washing it. It gets stuck and then it breaks the little metal clip in the back to lock it in together. So basically they have this little laundry wash bag. It's for real dedicated clothes like bras. If you want to do panties, you could do one sweater. So as you can see, you can do 4 to 6 bras or panties, one sweater, and 1 or 2 blouses. So basically, it comes in a little bag just like this. Okay, it has a zipper. Here you put whatever you want to wash. Close it up. Close it up and you throw it in your washing machine. And basically it's gonna prevent it from messing up your shirt or messing up your bras or anything that's real fragile that's gonna get messed up. Very good, and I recommend it. Nice little seal bag, has a whole bunch of little holes so the water and everything can get in it. That's it. Well, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. More to come. Hope you enjoy my channel. Thank you.